You start by learning what your stakeholders actually need. Then you build simple prototypes, not some perfect final version. You test those with key users. You launch the program officially. And from that point on, it is all about continuous iteration and improvement. And this cycle is so important. Look, it's not about launching a perfect, polished program right out of the gate. No way. It's about getting something valuable into the hands of your stakeholders quickly. That speed is what builds the trust and the credibility you're going to need to get more investment and buy-in down the line. So how do you manage all that day-to-day work and keep the value flowing? Let's take a look at the engine that drives Lean CI, the Kanban board. Think of a Kanban board as your team's command center. It's your entire workflow, all laid out on a single screen. And its real power lies in making all that invisible work visible. By managing your capacity and limiting your work in progress, you create this steady, predictable flow of intelligence instead of a chaotic scramble. Here's what a CI Kanban board actually looks like in practice. See, each one of those cards is a task, and it moves from the funnel of new ideas on the far left through in progress, all the way to done on the right. When you track the journey visually like this, it becomes more than just an organizing tool. It's an incredibly powerful communication tool for the whole organization. So let's just quickly break down this flow. The funnel, that's where everything lands. The backlog is where you prioritize everything based on real strategic value. In progress is what you're actively working on right now, and you have to be really strict about limiting this to avoid overload. Ready is for review, and a task isn't truly done until you've gotten feedback and confirmed its value.